Yo, what's going on, boys? That's it. Welcome back. Wrench Weekly episode 5. Let's get it. Welcome back, guys. As you know, I've been on a long holiday. To cut things short, you know what time it was. Back from my honeymoon, and it just happens to be the last day of the year. So just gonna quickly run through the garage, update you guys what's happened, what's not happened, what people are doing, what they haven't done, and who's getting a bollocking, who's not getting a bollocking. And later on, we've also got Christmas dinner today, so if you guys are lucky, you might get a little insight on that as well. So, you see me? Dom Kus, what's happening?
Not much.
What are you doing? Why are you walking around like you're not doing nothing?
Because I am doing something.
What are you doing?
Just checking on, making sure that I've been running right.
Oh, is that what you're doing? You've been supervising while I've been away?
Pretty much.
All right, okay.
You said hold it down, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
Holding it down.
Yeah.
That's it, big Dom. Talk to me. So what's the latest?
I don't know. Well,
RS3 complete?
this RS3 pretty much complete, yeah.
What is it, stage 5, 6?
Just a whole lot of sauce, whole lot of Ren sauce, really. If I could tell you. I could just say that, yeah, it has a bigger turbo on it and it's making power and it's probably faster than yours, so.
Cheers!
Stage 3, ready to go. Fuel pump, TTE turbo 777. Got the
You tell him.
adapter for it. The turbo in there and APR intake. So got the fuel pump, trigger injectors, ready to go. Should be about 750 horses. Yeah.
Woo! That's gonna give you a run for your money, mate. Run for your money. This one everyone knows. This is Big Jimmy's RS3.
Carrying out a little bit of maintenance on it.
And a little,
Ready to go.
you know, getting it ready for the new year.
Yeah, just the oil change.
Little Christmas treat.
Yeah.
Mario? What are you up to? Wasting time really, ain't it? Huh? Insurance job, full front end, full side, quarter, had a full respray, just fitting back the under trays and getting it ready. I'm gonna take it for alignment and tracking, and be back off to the customer. That's it, and a full valet, obviously, waiting for the undercover detailers to show up. As you all saw from the last episode, the X4M was getting wrapped, so now the wrap is complete, full satin black, wet satin black to be precise. All the badges blacked out, as you can see, looking lovely. We've also powder coated the alloy wheels, as well as custom yellow calipers on it, just to give it that little pop. And if you'll come to the front, you'll also see the bars have been wrapped in yellow, all the grills black. It's looking absolutely 10-10. Factory finish. And this one was a special project. I'd say it's probably around about the 1,000 bhp mark. Again, haven't done that count on it yet, so we don't know what it's actually pushing, but we know the numbers are fast. So that'll be going out to the customer now as well. If you just turn over there, I don't know what he's doing, but WD-40, he was a bit rusty, you know what I mean? So yeah, so that's leaving now. And I don't know if the boys have shown you, but our fish tank room in the back, or it's not a fish tank anymore, our dyno room, shall we say, is almost complete. So we might give you guys a little bit of a glimpse of that. So yeah, for all of you people out there that want numbers, from next year we'll be catering for that. So yeah, hit us up. As you all know, it's the last day of the year, so Ricardo's just in the back sorting out all the pipe work, all the steel bends, the aluminium pipes, tidying up the whole corner. Everybody else will be tidying up later as well. You see Jim's just finishing the last few cars we've got here for tints. So when that's done, we'll show you around. Guys, as you can see, we've got a lovely 911 Carrera GTS here. Again, that's had an unfortunate collision insurance job, which will be completed over the holidays, possibly into the new year now, as Christmas is here. It's the season to be jolly, la 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 la.
Can I put on the bumper, please?
No,
To feed the bumper.
no, which one?
My one.
No.
Linda one.
No, why? We got stuff to do. Take that one off the ramp, please. The 8 Series here. So the front grille dechrome. So the window tints. Dom's also working on the wheels on that one now. So we've gone for a custom sort of two-tone, goldy yellowy finish. Don't know what it is. I'll get Dom to explain it more in detail. But I do know it comes from factory on the M2 comp. Dom, help me out, mate.
Yeah, what's going on?
What have you done to the wheels?
Basically, it's a frozen gold finish. You would find this finish on the M2 CS or the M3 CSs. Basically, it's like a silvery gold. So it's a gray primer is applied, powder coated, of course, and then a really chromy thin paint is applied. So basically, the wheel would then look like a polished effect, and then the gold goes over it. But the gold is like it's like an orangey paint, but when heat is applied, and if you apply it at high pressure, you get this sort of effect. So in some lights, it would look like a nice light gold, and it would go like silver as well. Very cool finish, and yeah, we replicated it on these 8 Series wheels.
Pretty good, I say. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but just wait till we pull it out into the light. Looks Mario! Ollie's 2 Series wide body conversion. Just the wheels are going on. Should be dropped on the floor. You guys are going to get a full walk around that car. Endo will be explaining what he's done to it. And yeah. That's it, guys. As you've all seen, Endo's just walked you around the 2 Series. Haas will show you in-depth footage of the car now. And really happy with the outcome. Can't wait for Ollie to come and collect this. Unfortunately, he's away at the moment, so he will be picking it up after Christmas. But yeah, absolutely lovely. 6AD Andy smashed it with the wheels. Perfect. The body kit was not perfect, but the boys have been doing an incredible job on it, and they have made it really beautiful. So yeah, really proud of them. As you can see, the whole garage is pretty much empty now. All the cars have left, and just getting ready for the Christmas break. About to go to Christmas dinner now. I might take the camera with us. So yeah, as you can see, lovely. They've been walking around, mopping everything, getting rid of everything, all the tools being put away. So yeah, come through. Let's catch some of them in the action. Ricardo! That's what I'm talking about. Inda, come on, man, you missed a spot.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the lovely series that we've just started towards the end of the year. Going into the new year, there will be a lot more of it coming through. I think everyone's feeling a lot more confident. All the boys behind me. Hello! See that universal sign off, gang business. But yeah, we out here. So hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe and share. And if you guys want to see anything else next year that we haven't done this year, please let us know in the comments below. We'll be happy to tackle it and show you guys what you want to see. So thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.